The Manufacturing and Industrial Technology Program goal is to produce employable candidates for local manufacturing and industrial companies. So when you think about manufacturing, it is literally making anything. The chairs we're sitting in, the tables that we're sitting at, the desks we work at. Industrial, the way I think about it, is more about processes, workflows, or maybe even like the physical layout of a factory. There's going to be multiple phases about that.
42 years old, I have a wife and 3 kids, 3 daughters. I've been working my whole life, working with my hands, and I just want to move into a whole different job profession that will get me, my kids to college.
Yeah, so last year I started a job in machining and CAD modeling actually. As soon as I started, I kind of realized like it's kind of what I want to do. I want to pursue this as a career. I just think this is a really cool opportunity even for, people that are already in the field. They can grow and expand their skills and their knowledge and kind of help them actually pursue a career that they want to pursue.
So I do a lot of woodworking on my own anyways, and so when I found out that this program had a lot of CNC and AutoCAD focused learning programs, I figured I could apply that to woodworking. It's becoming a really big part of the industry right now, and knowing how to program and design my own little projects for that is really helpful.
The paths that students here at Folsom Lake College can take after completing the Manufacturing and Industrial Technology program, there are a lot of local manufacturers in the area. I think we have a pretty robust manufacturing corridor. So anything related to that, food packaging, preparation, manufacturing, raw material processing. And I think that when you think about the nature of the society that we're trying to create, people having a job that they can provide for themselves and positively impact their environment, I think manufacturing is a really, really good place for that.